In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction and use Gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!